Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to another vlog. It is currently Sunday, what time? Sunday, March 21st at 11:34 in the morning. I know y'all, an early vlog, what? I basically just got back from Jamie's. All the girls had a sleepover there last night and we all hung out with our guy friends and it was awesome. We hadn't seen each other in a while. There's a lot going on in my life now, a lot of personal stuff, but I can't really talk about it, which I know sucks so bad, but I'll be able to talk about it sooner rather than later, which is exciting. But there's just a lot of things that I need to do and my room's a mess, so I thought we'd do a Sunday vlog. I just got home, I just talked to my parents. They're headed out for lunch soon, but I really need to organize my room. I have laundry to put away. Shein package came in that I need to put away. I'm filming a spring break haul, all the clothes that I got for spring break, bikinis, tiny tops, all that stuff. So that will be coming soon because my spring break is the first week of April and I am going to the beach with all my friends, which is so exciting. I'll be in Rosemary the week of April 4th through the 10th. So if you're there, let me know. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. If not, it's not too late to change it up. I'm so excited. Yesterday I took a rest day off from the gym and everybody knows Katie does not like taking rest days. So I'm so ready to get, I'm so ready to get my booty back in the gym, but I'm gonna try and get stuff done around my house first. Okay, first things first, we can start with unpacking my sleepover bag and doing my clean laundry. I just took a load out of the dryer, but I got back from my sleepover yesterday and I had a package from Milani New and they sent me a bunch of stuff and I couldn't carry it all downstairs, so I put it in my backpack that I took to JV's last night. But I want to show you a few of the things that they sent me because I love Milani New. I've never been sponsored by them and it would be a dream if I ever did get sponsored by them because that's something that I genuinely use every single day of my life. I think they put me on their PR list because this is something that I got sent. So they got me one of their blender bottles, which are so nice for protein shakes. And then I got a new flavor of their pre-workout, which is Galaxy Lemonade. I've never tried this one just personally because I really love Breezeberry. It's like my favorite one that they make, but I'm excited to try it. And I have 2 of their Galaxy Lemonade ones. So I'll let you guys know, lemonade is my favorite drink besides like water. Like I drink lemonade and water and that's it. And then they got me some of their multivitamins, which I take vitamins every day. I've been having to take them a lot recently. My health has been like, it's okay, it's fine. These have iron in them and I'm anemic, so any other source of iron that I can get in my body is awesome. So I took them today. They're these big chunky black pills. They look a little scary, but thank you Alani New. I love it and I can't wait to try all these things, so I'm gonna put those away as well. Okay, let's put this clean laundry away. A lot of progress, but I want to show you guys my bikini bin. I got rid of all my bikinis from last summer, like last season, and I've gotten so many new ones. Like this entire thing is filled from bikinis from so many different places, and like I said, I just had a Shein order come in, so I have so many more. I will be doing a bikini try on haul, bikini collection this summer, but it's not summer yet. It's barely spring. That will be coming soon, but not yet. And like I said, I will be doing a spring break clothing haul, so that will also be coming soon. I have so much fun stuff coming and so much good content coming, but like I said, there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in my life right now. I gotta clean up the desk a little bit, but take out that trash and recycling, and I think we're all good. So this is as clean as the room is gonna be until my parents get home and tell me what else I have to do. It is now 12:15 and I think I'm gonna put some makeup on just a little bit. I've been getting a little bit of acne around my mouth simply from wearing a mask a lot, and it really stinks. It doesn't help that I'm like coaching, so I'm like screaming through a mask for gymnastics coaching, so I'm like wearing that through talking a lot, through sweating, through spotting other girls. I also sprained my arm. That's really fun. Yeah, I sprained my arm while I was spotting a girl's back handspring. I spot back handsprings all the time, but unfortunately she jumped and landed on me wrong. So this arm is sprained and it is really painful. So I've been taking a lot of Aleve and drinking a lot of water. And it's fine, but it makes like normal simple tasks a little bit harder. Like putting away my laundry, when I was trying to stuff my sweatshirts into my closet, it hurt my arm because it's sprained. Unless it gets worse, then I'll start actually wearing the brace. But until then, I'm just not going to. Surprise, shawty. On another note, I did clean out my entire closet. I didn't record it. I definitely should have, but y'all, like, the floor is clean. You can see my athleisure. That's like my sports bra bin and my leggings bin. They're quite full, but they need to go somewhere. I cleaned out my closet. Everything's off the floor. My tiny tops and gym clothes are also all organized. Of course, it's in color order. You guys already know the drill with that. Look at all those sweatshirts, and then all my sweatpants and jeans are up there, along with like blankets and pillows extras. I think I'm just gonna listen to the Logan Paul podcast, the new one that came out, and do a little bit of makeup just so I can feel better about myself. And then a little bit later, we're gonna head on over to the gym. So maybe I'll do a little time lapse of my makeup because I feel like I never show you guys that anymore. Okay, so my makeup's pretty much done. I do the same thing that I do every day. I probably should do an updated makeup routine because I'm just not really doing the same makeup that I did a while ago. I did one recently actually, and it's kind of similar, but I do a little bit less. I just do the tiniest little concealer under my eyes and to cover my pimples, some bronzer, do my eyebrows, mascara, and then lip gloss. But the one thing I want to add is my baby wing, and so many people ask me how to do this. I've done a few tutorials on it. I get comments on my vlogs all the time on how to do it, so I'm going to share with you guys how I do the little baby wing eyeliner. I have so many brushes and I literally use the same like 4 that are in this container. Not even all of them. Where'd that brush go? First off, you need a tiny brush like this and you just pinch it. Pinch it so it's really tiny, just like that. I don't know who's asking me for makeup advice, but here we go. Then you take the crusty Tarte palette that you've had for like 17,000 years. I like to use a dark brown, not a black, because I think black is a little harsh, but if you want to use black, go ahead and use black. But this is the one that I use. It's that one called Activist right there. This camera is janky, so I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see, but I'll zoom you in. Okay, I'm trying my best to show you. I take the brush, I angle it, and then I take it on my eye, and I literally just follow the natural shape of my eye, just like that, and draw a tiny little line. You can see the tiny little line. And then you just fill in the line. So then I'll just make another line connecting it. And now you have a baby wing. And that literally took me 2 seconds. Sometimes I like to take it and put it on my bottom lash line as well. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. The lighting is so bad. I'm so sorry. I need a new camera so bad, but I don't have time or money for that right now. The reason I like doing it with eyeshadow is because it looks more natural, and also you can mess up and it's like looks fine because you can just wipe it away. If you were to do it with like liquid eyeliner, you're screwed. I used to do liquid liner all the time, you guys know, but it's just too much for me. I only do liquid liner if there's like a big event and I don't want it to move. But for baby wings, this is fine. And we're done. Now we look like we actually have features. Because I'm so blonde naturally, you guys know my eyelashes, my eyebrows don't really show up. So it's kind of hard for me to like look like I have features on my face. So that's why I do mascara and eyebrows, and that's like the main dominant things in my makeup routine. Okay, so it is now 2 p.m. and I am going to go to the nail salon to just get my nails removed. I got these really pretty blue nails, but I got anxious and bit them all off, and they're not looking too cute, but I also don't want to spend money to get my nails done before spring break because I'm just going to get them done before spring break. So I'm just going to have them take them off just because it's really bothering me. I hope it doesn't cost a lot of money to have them taken off because normally I just get them taken off and put new ones on, but I'm just going to be like, hey, can you just take them off and not put new ones on? I just put on these clothes. These shorts are like really big on me. They're supposed to fit like those like longer shorts, so I think they're cute, but I like them. They're a little different. And then there's this like cropped top. I'm just wearing it for now before I go to the gym, but I just need to throw something on to get my nails taken off. So let's go. Okay, I'm out and back from the salon. I got all natural nails now. It was funny. Kate was like, what are you doing here? Because every time I go to the nail salon, I text Kate before I come and we like plan it because she's the only one that's ever done my nails for like 3 years in a row. And I walk in and she's like, what are you doing here? And I was like, oh, I just want to get them removed. And she's like, you didn't text me? But it was funny. I was literally in there for like 10 minutes. So my nails are all natural until spring break. I think I'm going to go to Target because I need more protein bars. I ran out of all of my protein bars, which is kind of weird. I do eat like 2 a day. Like I love protein bars, and I know I should probably be getting more natural sources of protein, but I don't eat a lot of like meat. I only eat chicken if I do eat meat. I supplement protein by using supplements and protein bars and protein powder and that kind of stuff. My favorites are the Alani new ones, but I'm all out of those. So then backups are Quest bars. I know I talked down on Quest bars, but they're actually not that bad. I don't love the birthday cake flavor. My favorite is definitely cookie dough, but I want to try cookies and cream, so I'm gonna go pick up some more protein bars from Target because it's right there. When I'm looking for protein bars, I'm also looking for ones that have really good macros, so low calorie, high protein. Quest bars and the Bear Ball ones all have 20 or over grams of protein, and then Alani Nu have 16. So let's head on into Target and just pick up some protein bars. Oh, and I might get a spring nail polish color just so I can regularly paint my nails. We'll see what I find. Alright, and we're back. Here is my mini Target haul. You kind of saw most of the things that I got, but I got a few more that I would share. Protein bars are so expensive. Let me just say that. If you can get enough protein for the amount of gains that you want to be making in the gym, please do it in a way that is not protein bars because they're so expensive. I got 3 different kinds of Quest bars. 2 are new to try. I've never had cookies and cream, but I've heard that this is like the best flavor ever. This is everyone's favorite flavor, and I love cookies and cream, so I bet this will be amazing. Like I said, I got chocolate chip cookie dough. These are so good. Like, love this. This is my personal favorite flavor that I've tried. And then I got chocolate sprinkled donut ones, which also sounded really good. A lot of people also like this. I was gonna get the lemon one because I love lemon flavored things, but I was a little scared because I've never heard anybody talk about that. So, and like I said, I did get 2 nail polishes. They're both very springy colors. I got this really pretty like light lavender. You can't even tell on camera. It's like not showing up. That's better. It's like this light lavender. And then I got this really pretty like pinky peach. That is the lady. Well, they're both by Sally Hansen. I don't know, I just got cheap ones. Extreme Wear. This purple one is the color Lacy Lilac 559, and this one is Pixie Peach 328. So that was my Target haul. Okay, the nails are done. I did alternating of like the pink and the purple, and I think they're pretty. They are definitely different. I've never done anything like this before. I also never wear like my natural nails anymore. I've been getting tips on my nails for so long, but I think it's pretty. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm the worst at letting nail polish dry because I can't sit still. But we're gonna hopefully let it dry and then get ready to go to the gym, which means we're gonna get those big arm muscles. So I'm gonna let this dry for a little while, continue watching this new show that I started on Netflix, and then I'll show you guys the gym outfit of the day. Okay, we got the high pony in. You know what that means. It is gym time, baby. Let me show you guys the fit of the day. So this is the gym fit today. It's all Gymshark. Who's surprised? This is the Gymshark Roost training bra. This one's just like a dark green. It's really pretty. I love this kind of bra. This is my first time wearing these shorts. These are the new shorts that I got. These are the loose training shorts, and I got them in black. They're really cute. I'm excited to wear them. I like this kind of like athletic short because not every day I want to wear like skin tight Nike Pros or the biker short kind of shorts, you know? I like that these are loose and comfy and they look like they fit well and they feel well. Yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. We'll see how much Caiti decides to record today. Guys, I forgot to film in the gym again! I literally just got back in my car and was posting my post-push day selfie on my Instagram story because I haven't posted a gym selfie in a while, and I realized I didn't bring my camera the whole time. I recorded on my phone me doing like 2 seconds of cardio on the treadmill, but after that I just didn't record. I'm so sorry. And I literally told myself, Caiti, you're gonna vlog. Caiti, you're gonna vlog. But when you put your camera in a bag and then you put that bag in the locker, you don't really go back for the camera because you're working out, you know? It was such a good workout though. Like, oh my gosh, like I already got the arm pump. It's so nice. That was such a good workout. It's 6:44. I was there for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Headed home now. Sunday night. I got school tomorrow. home. I couldn't record me making my protein yogurt because my dad's on a call, but I made it. It's really good. Basically, I've done a recipe on it before on my TikTok, I think. Greek yogurt, and then you mix in your choice of nut butter. I use almond butter, and I also added the new protein powder I got from Alani Nu, so that's really yummy. I added granola, strawberries, coconut, and agave on top, and those are my toppings, and it's so good. I love this. It has a lot of protein, healthy for you, good for you, filling, and good nutrients and macros. I just finished eating, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. For the rest of the night, I'm just gonna chill, probably catch up on some homework, do some business stuff, but that was my Sunday. It was a really good Sunday, chilling. I enjoyed it. I'm also going to the mountains next weekend, and I haven't been to the mountains in a really long time, and I'm bringing Bella, so that'll be a fun vlog. Be prepared for that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please remind me to vlog during the gym because it's so annoying. I know you guys want to see what I do, but I just completely forget because I'm so in like my own element and in my own world. I'm just like, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.